I remember feeling unsure, even a little scared. The uncertainty was almost paralyzing. The world of technology was changing fast. It felt like every day there was a new breakthrough, a new innovation. Artificial intelligence was becoming a big deal. It was no longer just a buzzword. It was transforming industries. And honestly, I wasn't sure if I was ready. The thought of diving into something so complex was daunting. I was comfortable with my skills, with the way I'd always done things. My routine was my safety net. But deep down, I knew I couldn't ignore this new wave. The world was moving forward, and I had to move with it. I had poured years into mastering traditional programming. It was my identity, my passion. It had served me well, but now things were different. The landscape was shifting, and I had to adapt. AI was writing code, optimizing algorithms, even designing user interfaces, tasks I thought only humans could do. It was both fascinating and intimidating. For a moment, I froze. The fear of the unknown gripped me. What if my skills were becoming obsolete? What if everything I knew was no longer relevant? What if I was left behind? The thought was terrifying. That fear was a wake-up call. It pushed me to reconsider my approach. I realized I had a choice: adapt or become irrelevant. I chose to adapt. It was a pivotal moment in my career. I dove headfirst into learning about AI, taking online courses, reading everything I could. I immersed myself in this new world. It wasn't easy, but it was exhilarating. The challenge was invigorating, and I felt a renewed sense of purpose. I was learning a new language, a new way of thinking. It was like discovering a new dimension of technology. And you know what? It was the best decision I ever made. The journey was tough, but the rewards were immense. Embracing AI opened up a world of possibilities. It expanded my horizons and unlocked new opportunities. It wasn't about replacing my skills. It was about augmenting them, making me a more powerful, more versatile engineer. The future was bright, and I was ready to embrace it. The software development world is all about continuous learning. It's a dynamic field where stagnation is not an option. We thrive on new languages, frameworks, and tools. The excitement of mastering something new keeps us going, but sometimes we fall into a trap. We find a niche, a set of skills that work, and we stick to them. This can be comforting, but it can also be limiting. We get comfortable. This comfort can be dangerous, especially in the age of AI. The moment we stop learning, we start falling behind. The tech landscape is shifting faster than ever. What was cutting edge yesterday is commonplace today, and what's unimaginable today might be standard practice tomorrow. The pace of change is relentless. Think about it. We used to spend countless hours manually debugging code. It was a painstaking process that required a lot of patience and attention to detail. Now, AI-powered tools can identify and even fix bugs in a fraction of the time. These tools are becoming more sophisticated and reliable. We used to painstakingly handcraft algorithms. Each line of code was a result of careful thought and planning. Now, AI can generate optimized algorithms for specific tasks, often surpassing human capabilities. This shift is both exciting and daunting. The truth is, if we cling to our comfort zones, we risk becoming like the cobbler who only knows how to make sandals when everyone wants sneakers. Adaptability is key. Our skills, once valuable, may become obsolete, leaving us struggling to keep up in a rapidly evolving industry. Continuous learning and adaptation are not just beneficial. They are essential for survival in this fast-paced world. The emergence of AI isn't just a ripple in the tech pond, it's an earthquake reshaping the entire landscape. This seismic shift is transforming industries, redefining job roles, and altering the way we approach everyday tasks. It's changing how we write code, how we design systems, and how we think about software development as a whole. Collaboration is becoming more dynamic, and problem solving is evolving with AI-driven insights. Ignoring this shift is like ignoring a tsunami warning. The consequences could be disastrous. Companies that fail to adapt may find themselves left behind, unable to compete in an AI-driven world. AI-powered tools are no longer futuristic fantasies. They're readily available, and they're getting better every day. They're automating repetitive tasks, providing intelligent insights, and enhancing productivity in ways we never thought possible. These tools are even generating creative solutions, pushing the boundaries of innovation. This frees us to focus on higher-level thinking and innovation, allowing us to tackle more ambitious projects. Imagine a world where you can simply describe the software you want to build, and an AI assistant generates a functional prototype. This isn't science fiction, it's becoming a reality. Or where you can analyze massive datasets with a few clicks, uncovering hidden patterns and generating actionable insights. The potential for data-driven decision-making is immense. This is the power of AI, and it's already within our reach. The tools we need to revolutionize our work are here, and they're only getting more sophisticated. This isn't about AI replacing engineers. It's about AI empowering engineers. It's about creating a synergy between human creativity and machine efficiency. It's about giving us the tools to work smarter, not harder, and to achieve more with less effort. With AI, we can tackle more complex challenges, solve problems that seemed insurmountable before, and build the future we envision. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has just begun. Now, you might be thinking, Andrew, are you saying my skills are useless? Not at all. Your existing skills are the foundation, the bedrock upon which you'll build your AI knowledge. But just like any foundation, it needs to be reinforced and expanded to support the weight of new technologies. Let's be honest, some tasks that used to be core to software engineering are being automated. Writing boilerplate code, performing basic debugging, even generating simple reports. These are all tasks AI can handle efficiently. But here's the good news. AI is also creating new opportunities, opening doors to exciting new fields and specializations. We need engineers who can design and train AI models, who can build AI-powered applications, who can understand and interpret the results of AI algorithms. This is where your value lies, in your ability to adapt, to learn, to bridge the gap between traditional software engineering and the transformative power of AI.